Do you guys struggle when it comes to Etsy SEO and maybe not even know what the heck it means or what's entailed? Well, I have something really, really special for you guys today. I'm going to give you the exact process on how to figure out and do Etsy SEO in 5 minutes or less. Let's go. All right, guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Al, your host and your guide through everything Etsy. And a big part of selling on Etsy is SEO, search engine optimization. Many sellers overcomplicate SEO. They think it's this thing that's larger than life that they can't ever figure out. And really, it is a very simple thing, especially with what I'm going to talk about today, and giving you the exact process to follow to figure out Etsy SEO in 5 minutes or less with your listings. The biggest part of Etsy SEO is keywords. Of course, there are other factors that play into it, but 95%, 90% of SEO is keywords, the words that you're putting in your listing title and your listing tags. And today I'm going to help you figure that out and give you the process, which is the 4W process, on how to do this exercise and figure out the best keywords to put in your listing so you can be found in search and have the best chance of success. And success is sales, the best chance of sales. So I'm going to break down this process right now so you can see exactly how to do it with your listings. And as you do this over and over, you're going to get better at it. You're going to get faster at it. But like I said, this only takes a couple of minutes. You can do this for all your listings right now and come up with the best keywords to put in your listings and have the optimal chance of success when it comes to SEO in your listings. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is have an actual listing. I'm going to do a sample product here that we're going to look at to do this exercise. For this exercise, we are going to use a piece of jewelry. This is just a random picture that I found on Etsy that we're going to use, and you can do this, like I said, for any niche, for any listing that you guys have. So we're going to need a picture so we know how to do this. And like I said, this is the 4W process, and the 4Ws stand for: what is the product visually, who is the product for, what is the product for, and what does the product do. These are the questions you're going to answer for all of your listings. You're going to start a list for each one. You're going to use that list to put into your listings and come up with the absolute best SEO, which will give you the best chance of success. So let's do this really quick here. And like I said, this should only take you a couple of minutes. You see the picture. Let me scroll up here again. The picture is of the gold heart necklace. So we're going to go through each of these and just write a list. And these are this list we're going to use to put in our listings and in our title. This list we're going to use to put in our listings in the titles and tags to have the best SEO possible for our listing. So what is this product? It's a heart necklace. It's a gold heart necklace. We can reuse, be a little redundant here. That's fine. Gemstone necklace, some type of gem. I don't know what. Heart gem, stone necklace, dainty necklace. So we're just gonna, whatever comes to our mind. We don't have to use these keywords. Whatever type of stone. So I'd put the stone name. I don't know it, so I'm just going to put stone here. If you're selling it, obviously you're going to know what it is. All right, moving on. That's enough for there. Who is this product for? Woman, wife, maybe a bridesmaid. They like hearts. I don't know. You want to show your love for them. Girlfriend, friend. All right, so those are the people that may be who the product is for. What is the product for? So this is usually like an occasion or an event. So anniversary, a gift, wedding, dinner, party, things like that. Party, I think that's enough. Those are kind of be the main things that it's for. The next is, what does the product do? So this is a necklace, so it doesn't really have too much function other than provide, beauty. It's eye-catching, stunning, shimmers, statement piece. We could say that. If I can spell statement right. So that is our list. We answered the 4 W's, and we're going to put these together in our title and tags to give us the best chance of SEO success. So that only took me not even 2 minutes to do that whole list here, and you're going to get faster and faster with your particular niche. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these and we're going to pull out a combination of keywords that we think is best, and that's going to go first in our title. You should start with the most descriptive keywords first. That holds the most weight when it comes to how the algorithm works in SEO for Etsy. So we're going to go through here and pick out what we think is best and put them together, and that is going to be our first set of keywords in our in our title. So I would say probably heart, gemstone, and I want to put gold in here. So heart, gemstone, gold necklace, I think, is the best out of here as far as multiple set of keywords. And then probably for, let's just do, I would just do woman. We'll do woman's in here. And then what's the product for? I would just do gift. Gift is very strong. A lot of people are buying this stuff, especially for as a gift, as far as like a heart. And what does the product do? Eye-catching. So these are basically just adjectives for how it, what it looks, kind of how it looks like. But I would just do maybe, stunning. What are people going to be searching for is what you have to think. For. They'll probably statement. I think a lot of people search for statement when it comes to jewelry. Let's just add statement in here. And that is going to be the first set of keywords that we put in our title. And it's fine if it doesn't have to make a sentence that makes sense. This is just a batch of keywords put together, but you can read it as a sentence, so it has to make some type of sense. Woman's, heart, gemstone, gold, statement, necklace, gift. That is going to give us the best chance of success. We're going to put that first in our title. After that, we're going to fill out the rest of our title with other keywords that we think people are going to be searching for, and try to get as many in our title as possible, because each keyword or set of keywords is a line in the water that reaches a potential audience. The more people we reach, the more potential views we get, visits we get, and the more potential buyers we may get. So then I'd fill out maybe the rest of I'd put a comma and fill out the rest of our title with different batches or combinations of these keywords. So maybe anniversary, I would probably definitely use wedding probably. So like anniversary, girlfriend, anniversary, heart necklace, or dainty necklace. You put that next. You can use stunning friend heart necklace, or stunning friend gemstone necklace. I'd want you can put those in there too. So you see what I mean? You're going to fill out the rest of your title, and then from there you're going to take those keywords and put them in your tags and come up with as much of a variety as possible. Your tags, you only have 22 character limit per each, so they're going to be a little bit more broad by nature. So you want to put these, whatever you think are the most important, and fill out all 13 tags. Dainty necklace, gemstone necklace, heart necklace, gold necklace, wedding gift necklace, or anniversary gift. All these you're going to fill out with whatever you think are the best for your specific item, your specific niche. And that is it. That is what you do. That's the easy process. A couple of minutes to come up with the best keywords for your item, and you're covering all of the important aspects. The 4 W's cover all the important aspects of how people are searching for your listing. If you're hitting them all in your title and tags, you're going to have the best, well-rounded chance of success, the chance of getting found, And then from there, hopefully your listing does the rest with the pictures, with the description, with the price point, and then people will buy from you and hopefully keep buying from you. But that's the training wheels. That's going to get you off on the right foot. So sit down, look at your listing picture, go through this process, write that list down, and then from there, simply go through and pick what you think are the best keywords that people will be searching for to find your listing. That's it, guys. Hopefully that helps. That is how to do Etsy SEO in 5 minutes or less. That probably didn't take me 5 minutes. I explained it, which took me a little bit longer, but you can see how easy this process is once you have a framework to follow and you're basically just answering questions and making a list and then popping them into Etsy, and then you're good to go. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon with another video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. Let me know how much this helps you guys out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys. Have an amazing rest of the day.